Hello my dear hair enthusiasts, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about frizzy hair and how to deal with frizzy hair. Before we get to the solution, we have to talk about what is causing frizzy hair. I will mention 4 factors which are causing frizz. First one is going to be treating your curly hair like it's straight. Second factor is not sealing in the hydration. Third factor are dew points. And fourth factor is hair damage. Before we start, make sure to hit the subscribe button and like this video. Curly or straight hair depends on the shape of the follicle. Round follicle produce straight hair. Oval shaped follicle produce curly hair, but they also have twist at the bottom. Keratin is what gives human hair structure. Straight hair has evenly distributed keratin, while curly hair doesn't have keratin evenly distributed. That's why it curls. In some places there is more keratin, in other places there is less keratin. As a result, your curl is curly and also it's more fragile in some points. That being said, treating your curly or wavy hair like it's straight, it's causing hair damage. Curly hair, it's much more fragile than straight hair. That's why it needs different approach and different hair care. If your hair is curly or wavy and you are brushing it when it's dry, you are not using enough hydrating and sealing ingredients, there is no way that your hair is going to be smooth and shiny. So embrace your curly or wavy hair because it's unique and beautiful. Second factor which is causing hair frizz, not sealing in the hydration. Like I mentioned in my video about pH balance, water bound by humectants can easily evaporate, especially in dry environment. To prevent this process, we want to form an occlusive film on our hair. Emollients create a barrier on a hair surface which is making water evaporation more difficult. The strongest occlusive substance is paraffin and waxes, but I don't recommend using them on daily basis since they can easily build up on your hair. Instead of using waxes, paraffin or silicones, I recommend using fatty alcohols and oils. I will mention a few of fatty alcohols here in the video, so take a look. Third factor of frizzy hair, hair damage. If you're using hot tools, chemical hair dyes, or you're bleaching your hair, your cuticle is lifted. Lifted cuticle is making your porosity higher. As a result of lifted cuticle, your hair is more prone to frizz. Frizz caused by lifted cuticle leads us to factor number 4, which are dew points. The air can only hold a certain amount of water, which is called dew point. Dew point is a temperature at which vapor begins to condense. It is dependent on geographic region and season. During cooler months, dew points are lower than in summer since warm air can hold more water. When there is too little vapor in the air, your hair can lose hydration to the drier air. When there is too much vapor in the air and your cuticle is lifted, your hair can absorb the hydration from the environment like a sponge, which is causing frizz. If your hair is low porosity like mine, dew points are not that important since your cuticle is laying flat. But if your cuticle is slightly lifted or lifted, meaning medium and high porosity, you should be aware of dew points and choose your hair care routine accordingly to the climate. Now that we know 4 main factors which are causing frizz, let's talk about solutions. Curly hair treated like straight. The solution is very simple. Follow curly girl method. You don't have to be very strict. Just remember about 4 most important things, which is quit sulfates, seal in the hydration, hydrate your hair, and don't brush your hair while it's dry. Not sealing in the hydration. Another very simple solution. Just use leave-in conditioner with emollients, emollient conditioner or oils as a last step of your hair wash routine. What is an emollient conditioner? An emollient conditioner is conditioner which contains oils and fatty alcohols high in the composition of the product. I'm going to paste an example of an ingredients list of an emollient conditioner so you could take a look. Third solution will be eliminating hair damage, meaning quitting hot tools, chemical hair dyes, bleaching your hair and not being gentle. Remember about protective hairstyles using cotton t-shirt or microfiber hair towel, and also about sun protection. Moreover, to prevent further damage, I recommend following pH balance. Balanced hair equals healthy hair. If you would like to learn more about pH, I'm going to leave a few links for you down below. You can purchase one of my hair care programs, pH balance, or you can book a personalized advice with me. fourth solution is going to be being aware of dew points. Most of hair care bloggers recommend avoiding humectants during low and high dew points. In my opinion, as long as you find perfect humectant for you and you're sealing in the hydration, then you shouldn't have any frizz. How to find perfect humectant for yourself? Trial and error. Try different humectants and see which is giving you the best hair day. Try agave nectar, honey, honey water, sugar water, aloe vera, flaxseed gel, or glycerin. Those are the most common humectants. Based on my experience, I would try flaxseed gel if you're at the beginning of your hair journey, since it works for most of the hair types. Remember about sealing in the humectants. Not sealing the hydration, meaning humectants, equals frizzy hair. If your hair is still frizzy, try eliminating glycerin and coconut oil from your routine. Those two ingredients can cause frizz in some hair types. That's all for today. I hope this information was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you want to learn more about hair care, visit my website and my Instagram, and see you in the next one. Bye!